How to choose the right product for solar connector. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Casey again. Do you know how to choose the right product for solar connector? Then you must know what performance requirements the solar connector has. Firstly, good electrical conductivity. Contact resistance should not be greater than 0.35 milliohms. Secondly, sufficient certified safety performance. Waterproof, anti-high temperature, anti-corrosion, and other properties. The protection level should reach IP68. Thirdly, the structure is firm and reliable. The connection force between the male and female connectors should not be less than 80 Newton. Okay, all for today. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye.